Hello to all my naturals. In honor of Heritage Day, let us dive deeper into the rich African history of the Benny and Betty hairstyle, aka African threading. Continue watching to see how we achieved this look. Now you may be wondering why we didn't use a blow dryer since the hair is short. That is actually the point of African threading. It is a way to achieve length retention without the use of heat. It is said that back then, Africans used their hair as an identifier. It was a way to distinguish a person's age, religion, rank, marital status, and even family groups. It was mostly the women of the Nigerian tribe who traditionally wore this distinctive hairstyle. This dates back to slavery when Africans eventually used cornrows as a means of communication. They would also hide rice as well as seeds in their hair to grow crops as a means of survival. When you really think about it, hair played an important role in African lives. It is said in some cases they would cornrow their hair into a roadmap to communicate escape routes. This would avoid the risk of getting caught while attempting to escape. And don't forget to shop Nashe Organics. When you focus on the health and happiness of your hair, you'll be surprised by the length it grows to. Shop link in description box below. Now we'd love to hear your response. Comment Benny and Betty or African threading down below if you would rock this hairstyle. Before I finish the story that I started, let me give a mini tutorial. The most popular thread for African threading is acrylic wool or yarn. In this case, our hairstylist was using acrylic wool. She's taken a part of the hair and now she's wrapping that wool all around until it's a specific length. Once she's satisfied with the length, she's parting a new section of hair. Using Nashe Organics leave-in conditioner, she's going to detangle the hair. She's grabbing more acrylic wool to wrap it around this newly sectioned hair. Now this third section is going to be different. She's joining the first section and the third section together like this. And then again, she'll grab some acrylic wool and just wrap that around. With this one, she's going to join the second thread of hair to the fourth one, and then she's going to wrap more acrylic wool around that. And it just alternates like that until the end of the row. She's grabbing the hair as close as possible to the root, but also not too tight so that it does not hurt the client. So let me finish the story that I started. African threading today is an expression of beauty. It's a good way to stretch the hair and it encourages hair growth. This hairstyle has been seen on runways and in editorials, which is evidence that this hairstyle remains a meaningful form of art and it tells a story of Africa from the beginning to the end. And then some daily spray. This is a good aftercare for your braids or cornrows. You spray it daily to moisturize the hair and also it just feels so good on the scalp. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to sign up for the African hairdressing course down in the description box below and shop Nashe Organics. Until next time, bye!